Good morning, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Duleswar. Today I am going to speak few lines on Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 76th Independence Day of our nation. Today is very important day for all Indian citizens. We got independence on 15 August 1947 from British who ruled our country for around 200 years. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and many others devoted their entire lives for the independence of our country. Many brave revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru sacrificed their lives for our nation freedom. Thank you and happy nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Vande Mataram.